Whether you are new to hiking or a seasoned adventurer, you need the right gear to stay safe and have fun on the trails. You should pack essentials such as reliable footwear and navigation devices that can help you in any situation. In this video, we will show you 10 essential hiking gear and gadgets you need. First, let's start with some sporty smartwatches. Finding the right balance between an active lifestyle and restful recovery can be a challenge. This is where the Amazfit Balance steps in. This lightweight smartwatch packs some seriously helpful wellness features into its slim and stylish design. It provides detailed sleep tracking and generates a personalized readiness score to let you know if you're mentally and physically charged up for the day ahead. It also enables on-wrist body composition measurement, so you can easily monitor metrics like body fat and muscle mass percentage. This allows you to balance nutrition, activity, and recovery in tune with your fitness goals. And when it comes to winding down, the Balance has you covered there too. You can access tailored sleep guidance, relaxing soundscapes, and meditation features. Beyond wellness, it serves up a gorgeous AMOLED display, music storage, Bluetooth calling, and a marathon-ready 14-day battery life. You will never need to stop to recharge. With the power of smartphone connectivity, plus Zepp OS 3.0 at your fingertips, over 150 sports modes to explore, and 200 plus changeable watch face designs to switch up your style, this smart sidekick truly balances advanced health insights with user-friendly tech convenience.
Did you know that 73% of visitors are more likely to make their purchases soon after watching a product video? This makes it necessary to have a product demonstration or promo video for showcasing your product's potential values and benefits. At Product Video Studio, we are equipped with camera gear, tools, and most importantly, expertise to make your video captivating and engaging. Just send your products and we'll handle the rest. Contact us today to create something amazing together.
The Amazfit T-Rex Ultra is a smartwatch forged from super strong 316L stainless steel, built for those who want a real hiking challenge. Its patented mud-resistant design ensures durability, surviving extreme conditions with a military-grade toughness that passed 15 tests. The HD AMOLED display reaches 1000 nits, providing ultra-clear visibility in any environment. Dive into waters up to 30 meters with free diving support and resist up to 100 meters of water pressure. Dual-band GPS and route navigation offers precise positioning, while the mighty 20-day battery life and minus 30 degrees Celsius ultra-low temperature operation make it an adventurer's dream. Sync legendary adventures with fitness communities, connect to your GoPro, and enjoy adventure features like compass, air pressure, and storm warning alerts. Seeking a versatile smartwatch that seamlessly balances style, fitness, and productivity? Meet the powerful Amazfit Active. This lightweight watch makes an undeniably sleek statement, with its vivid circular display and slim profile. Yet inside its elegant frame lies serious smartwatch power. We're talking about built-in GPS, multiple satellite positioning systems for tracking, Bluetooth connectivity, and even onboard music storage. It continuously monitors wellness metrics like heart rate, and it lasts over 2 weeks per charge, so you can keep up with your busy routine. When it comes to fitness, this watch means business with in-depth stats for over 100 sports. Planning an outdoor adventure? Import a route to navigate new trails with precision. Custom training templates help you crush your goals. And syncing to apps like Strava and Apple Health is a breeze. If you seek a smart companion that seamlessly transitions from office to gym and anywhere in between while costing significantly less than an Apple Watch, the powerful Amazfit Active has you covered as a worthy alternative, all in style. With stress monitoring, sleep tracking, Bluetooth calling, offline music, and all-day health alerts in a sleek minimalist package, this Android and iOS-friendly watch bridges both fitness and lifestyle realms. Now let's move on to some more conventional hiking gear and gadgets. This is the Mishmi Takin Jampui, a pair of waterproof hiking boots for a comfortable trek. Having an impressively breathable and lightweight construction, this pair of boots can effectively prevent sweatiness and foul odors. Plus, As these boots are waterproof, users won't have to worry about unexpected water crossings on their hikes. Comfortable footbed, blister-preventing capabilities, and top-notch water protection, nothing gets left behind with this Mishmi Takin Jampui. The Z-Pax Vertis is an exceptional pair of hiking pants that will keep you protected and comfortable in the face of changing weather conditions. It is designed with a 3-layer construction, combining multiple elements to provide outstanding performance. It features a moisture-wicking trico lining that helps keep you dry by pulling moisture away from your skin. The waterproof vapor permeable membrane ensures that rainwater stays out while allowing perspiration to escape, keeping you dry and comfortable from the inside out. The pants are made from 7 denier ripstop nylon, which provides excellent durability without sacrificing weight. With this pair of pants, never let unexpected rain showers dampen your hiking experience. Here's the MSR TrailShot Water Filter, an essential ally for the discerning hiker. Compact and efficient, this pocket-sized wonder transforms the art of hydration on the trail. No longer burdened by the weight of excessive water, the TrailShot liberates backpackers to drink freely from nature's fountains. Employing the prowess of hollow fiber filtration, it becomes a stalwart guardian against waterborne adversaries, eradicating bacteria, protozoa, and even elusive viruses. As you sip from the crystal-clear streams, the filter's reliability becomes your own, ensuring every drop is a promise of safety. With the MSR TrailShot as your companion, the journey through untamed landscapes becomes a testament to self-sufficiency, embracing the spirit of exploration with each refreshing sip. Next on the list, we have the Cascade Mountain Tech Carbon Fiber Trekking Poles, a hiker's steadfast companion for conquering endless trails without succumbing to weariness. Crafted from the very essence of lightweight resilience, these poles embody the essence of ultralight exploration. Carved from carbon fiber, they become an extension of your own stride, effortlessly accompanying you through the most challenging terrains. The collapsible design mirrors the adaptability of a seasoned hiker, while the tungsten carbide tip, akin to a mountain goat's sure-footedness, secures unwavering traction on any path. A true testament to preparedness, these poles are accompanied by 4 sets of top covers, mud baskets, and snow baskets, ensuring your resolve remains unshaken regardless of the elements. From sun-drenched trails to snow-kissed peaks, the Cascade Mountain Tech trekking poles pledge allegiance to the spirit of adventure, empowering you to forge ahead with unwavering determination. Fenix HM65R headlamp emerges as a guiding light for the avid hiker. Emitting a brilliant 1,400 lumens, this beacon of brightness pierces through the night, unveiling every twist and turn on your nocturnal escapades. A mere 3.42 ounces in weight, this headlamp is an embodiment of lightweight convenience, allowing you to traverse rugged paths unburdened. With easily swappable batteries, your adventure seamlessly flows without interruptions, ensuring that the trail remains your sole focus. Enveloping your head in comfort, the headband becomes an extension of your journey, letting you immerse yourself in the experience. The Fenix HM65R, an indispensable companion, elevates your night hikes, casting aside the shroud of darkness and illuminating your path with unwavering clarity. That stove surely will keep you energized on the trail, but this TRSVolt power bank will keep your devices fully charged. It's got 4 solar panels, basking in the sun's embrace to replenish its 8,000 mAh battery. So yeah, it's a renewable lifeline for your devices. The detachable solar panels bestow unparalleled versatility upon this power hub, while multiple USB ports stand ready to rejuvenate your companion's gadgets. Weighing a mere 12 ounces, this unassuming powerhouse boasts the capacity to fully recharge 2 to 3 smartphones, lightening your load both figuratively and literally. And in the depths of night, a radiant 200-lumen LED emerges, transforming darkness into a realm of possibilities. With the TRSVolt by your side, technology aligns with nature, ensuring you're powered up and primed for every trail, every challenge, and every breathtaking moment. Carry all the hiking gear most efficiently with the Matador Free Reign 28 hiking backpack. With a 28-liter capacity, it's perfect for day hikes and short overnight trips. And thanks to its waterproof main compartment with internally sealed seams, You can rest assured that your gear will stay dry in any weather conditions. The roll-top closure of the Free Rein 28 also features an integrated zipper closure option, which is perfect for when you need quick access to your gear or for added security when you're out on the trail. And when it's time to pack up and head home, the backpack compresses easily for travel, thanks to the included mesh compression sack. For added convenience, the backpack is hydration compatible, allowing you to stay hydrated on the go. So, that concludes our list of the 10 essential hiking gear and gadgets you need. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.